This week's material covers amines and amides. To start off, we're going to look at how to name the amines. To begin with, you have to understand that any amine or the functional group amine is any nitrogen group attached to a hydrocarbon chain. And it doesn't matter how many hydrocarbon chains are attached, it's still classified an amine. And so we can see here we have a primary amine when only one hydrocarbon chain is attached. We have a secondary amine when there are two hydrocarbon chains attached. And we have a tertiary amine when there are three hydrocarbon chains attached. Like always, the purpose of nomenclature to start out is to find the parent chain, know which functional group is taking priority, and then put it all together, make sure you number it correctly, and all the substituents are numbered and named correctly. So we'll start off with a simple one. The parent chain is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons long. So this is butane, and the ending name is amine for our functional group here. So butanamine will be our product. So this is 1 butanamine because the numbering is going to go the opposite way, making sure that our amine is numbered with the lowest possible position. So we get 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 butanamine will be that one. The next one's a little more complicated and goes into what we were talking about above, how any amine is an amine as long as it has one hydrocarbon chain. In this case, we have 3 hydrocarbon chains attached to the nitrogen, and so we're going to have to name this a unique way that we have not done before. The parent chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons long in this situation. So we have a pentane, and it's an amine, so pentanamine is going to be our parent name, and it's a 2-pentanamine, so that is because the nitrogen is at the second position. Okay, so you may be asking, what do I do with these hydrocarbon chains here? And to name these, they have to be numbered. And in this situation, the numbering is weird. Usually it's weird when we first do this. It's on the nitrogen, and so we number it as N. Okay, so we have N diethyl. Okay, both of these are ethyl groups. They're both on the same position. They're on the nitrogen. And so when we do this, we treat this N designation just as we would a numbering designation. So N, we have to put it twice since there are 2. And so it's N diethyl 2-pentanamine is the name of this molecule.